Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And I just found out the GoPro Hero 7 Black has a new release update. And I will put a link here to this page where you get more information. And you'll come down here. It's got a performance improvements as well as usability improvements. And so I don't bore you, I'll just again put the link to this page where you could get that information. There's two ways that you could update it. This is my first time updating my camera. And that is one, you can use the camera and the app, and I just didn't have any luck with this at all. The second way, which did work for me, is you could manually update it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get your 14-digit serial number. Hopefully you have it, because it is, I don't know how people can find it on a camera. It's so small. The way they have this set up, it's, I don't know, to me it's honestly terrible if you hadn't registered and then you're trying to find it. But if you have the box, that might be the best way, is to pull it off the box as I did. So once you fill out this serial number, your email, and you check both boxes, next step, it will then walk you the steps. It won't let me go back in, but it will show you step by step. You're going to basically download a zip file. You're going to extract that file, and then you are going to drop and drag that into the micro SD card that you pop into the camera, and then it updates it, and then you'll be good to go. You will have the latest and greatest as far as the new features that in whatever improvements that they've done here. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll try and help if I can, but again, it should help you walk through it. For me, again, I don't know why I couldn't get it working with the app, but I did, no problem, get it working once I downloaded it right onto the file, into the micro SD card, into the camera, and now I've got the latest update, 1.61. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.